Hey, what's up, YouTubers? Red Crimson 102 back here again with another unboxing. This time I got for you guys Crash Bandicoot N-Sane Trilogy. Two bonus levels included. Stormy Essence and Future Tense. Include 3 games. Original 3 games remastered. Cool. Crash is back in insanely better. Three full three full games, 100 plus levels, and 2 playable characters. Experience intense platforming, epic challenges and adventure, stunning new animation and graphics. Original 3 games fully remastered. Crash Bandicoot was always a cool game. I'm not a huge fan of Crash Bandicoot. Excuse me. I'm not a huge fan of Crash Bandicoot at all, but I won't deny that it's a very good game. I've had some people try to argue that Crash Bandicoot is better than Mario. Not even close. I first played Crash Bandicoot on the original PlayStation. I loved the first 2 games. They were brilliant. Can't say too much about the other games. I think it kind of lost its way maybe. I don't know. It's worth picking up. Nonetheless, I think I might start with the first game and go from there. Here's some advertisement. Of Spyro Reignited Trilogy and CTR. I have an unboxing of this game on my channel as well. You guys can check that out if you want to. Here's a cartridge. I guess I don't need to take it out because you guys are probably already familiar with how Switch cartridges look. Well, that's it, guys. Crash Bandicoot N-Sane Trilogy for the Nintendo Switch. You guys let me know if it's a good game, if it's good on the Switch. Are the console versions better? Do they run better, look better? I haven't played it on any other console, so I don't know. When it comes to the Switch, I don't really care too much about the graphics. But you guys have a good one. Peace out. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe.